Here we're asked to sketch a graph of the unit circle, then draw and label the following angles. Then state the sine, cosine, and tangent of each angle. So first one here is pi over 4, our unit circle here with a radius of 1. Pi over 4, if this is 0 and this is pi, then 1/4 of the way would be right here, which we would call pi over 4. We go in the positive direction. And we're asked to find the sine, cosine, and tangent. So the nice part about the one that's pi over 4 is that it creates a triangle that the two lengths, the side lengths, are equal, and they are root 2 over 2, and they're both positive because they're in this first quadrant here. So that means that the y value, which represents sine of the angle, is equal to root 2 over 2. Cosine of pi over 4, which represents the x value, is also root 2 over 2. And then tangent of pi over 4 is equal to sine over cosine, which in this case here, sine divided by cosine, you're dividing by the same thing, so I get a tangent value of just 1. Second one here, negative pi over 3, so I draw my unit circle. I'm going now in the negative direction, so I'm going clockwise, and 1/3 of the way from 0 to negative pi would be here. And I'm going in the opposite direction this time. In this one here, my x and y values are different. So my x value, I can kind of see if I were to create this triangle here, zoom in to see this. This triangle that I create from this point, the x value is shorter, meaning the x value here is going to be 1/2. And then the y value, since we are also going in the negative direction, ends up being negative root 3 over 2. So in this one, when we're finding sine and cosine, sine of negative pi over 3 is our y value, so negative root 3 over 2. Cosine of negative pi over 3, which represents our x value, is just positive 1/2. And then tangent is going to be sine divided by cosine. So tangent of negative pi over 3 equals negative root 3 over 2 divided by 1/2. Which I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal. So this becomes negative root 3 over 2 times 2 over 1. The 2's cancel and leave me with just negative root 3. Last one here is 3 pi, so I draw my unit circle. I know this is 0 pi. This would be pi. Then I'm going all the way around. That would be 2 pi, and then now that's also 3 pi. Because I go one full circle, which is 2 pi, and then an extra pi here, which lands right on this spot right here. And so my x value of that would be negative 1. My y value would be 0. So that means that sine of 3 pi is equal to 0, and cosine of 3 pi is equal to negative 1. Tangent of 3 pi is sine over cosine, which is just 0 divided by negative 1. And so I have my final answers there.